How do you stay out of jail when facing false rape allegations? This is a question posed by a lot of people who approach me who are facing false allegations. I explain to them that them seeking their legal remedies against the person who is accusing them or who is threatening them with false accusations, when they go and seek their remedies against this person, on a lot of occasions, this person who is threatening with false accusations, who has been promised the sun, the moon, and the stars by people who are facilitating the filing and pursuit of these complaints, when they see that it is not going to happen so smoothly as they thought, that they can also face either paying compensation to you or maybe going to jail for their own actions, a lot of times they themselves back off. And when you avail of your legal remedies, it damages, it injures the ability of the other person to effectively mount a successful offensive against you as well. For example, a client of mine falsely accused of rape by a person with whom he had several commercial transactions was, when he filed his own criminal case against this person, instead of getting arrested, going to jail and spending some time before he got bail in the case, he was effectively able to stay out of jail. The police decided to, upon complete investigation, file the charge sheet in the matter without arresting the person. On the other hand, the false accuser, when my client filed the proper complaints against this person, the false accuser indeed went to, being a woman, went to jail and spent about 25-30 days in jail before she was granted bail by the court. And another even crazier example that comes to my mind is, a couple of months ago, this gentleman sought upon consultation legal advice from me, and he said that his former girlfriend is threatening him again and again that if you do not transfer, I think 5 lakhs or 10 lakh rupees into my account, I don't remember the specifics, but if you don't transfer this amount to my account, I will go to the police and say that you raped me on the false pretext of marriage. And this woman, the client said, calls every 2 or 3 days, sends emails and text messages saying that I will make life living hell for you if you don't make this payment. And what I explained to this client was that you need to avail of your remedies against this person who is clearly trying to extort money from you. We prepared and we filed a civil suit. Specifics we don't really need to get into, but what is funny is that the person who was threatening with these false allegations chose to not go deeper into the rabbit hole, decided not to file any rape complaint anyways whatsoever, went ahead and hired a lawyer to defend her in the extortion case, civil suit, whatever we had constructed the case that we filed against her. And because of the laxity of the lawyer, even her defense was struck off. So the client was very, very happy that on one occasion, because of facing the possibility of the damage in the civil suit and the criminal complaint that we had prepared for him, the opposite side chose not to file any rape case. But on the other hand, when we were seeking money from the opposite party for the cause of action of extortion being committed against my client, there was a good possibility that the client will get compensation from this person. So it turned out to be completely ridiculous, something which I did not really expect, nothing short of a miracle, but these kind of things also happen from time to time. Long story short, if you are facing false allegations or you are facing threats of false allegations being levied upon you, it would be in your best interests to explore what are the legal remedies available for you against the accused person, the actual accused person, the person who has levied these false allegations or is threatening to level false allegations against you, and to then go and seek those legal remedies either before the police or before the courts of law. Another side note in this video that I forgot to mention is that the biggest benefit of filing your own case against the false accuser is that when you show the court that these are the remedies that you have sought against the false accuser, before the false accuser filing these cases against you, there is a far better chance for you to get anticipatory bail as well. On many occasions, clients facing false accusations, we've been able to get anticipatory bail with far better ease because of the fact that we filed their cases before the false accuser filed their own cases.